This video is gonna show and explain how to use your online portals, the sign up portals, the member portals, and really your member facing area. The first thing to be able to do to be able to use this is to go ahead and set it up. So you're gonna have to go into your location on the top menu, go to online portals. You're gonna see here this has information that you're gonna have to set up. So if you click edit here, you're going to set up your portal name. You can name it anything, whatever your business name is. We recommend do not put any spaces or anything in this name, just mm, no special characters, as this name is going to be it's going to be part of the creation of your of the URLs that's going to be dedicated to your company. Once you set up all of this stuff, you can see under here, under the plan list here, you're going to have to put any you're going to have to select the plans in the system that you're going to want or allow your customers to be able to sign up publicly online with no staff member. By default, every plan you put in the system under settings, membership plans or private plans, they're not available to be chosen online. So if you click this change, you'll be able to select any of the plans that you would allow your customers to be able to choose from to sign up. Also, you can add your logo here. Once you add the logo here, you can actually, um, this logo will be part of the screen. So this could allow you to allow your customers to see you and you can brand the screens to your company. Also, one of the settings here is a color scheme. You can change this color scheme to make it match your business brand. As you can see, once you set up your options here, you're going to have URLs that get dedicated to your for your company. You're going to see a member. This URL here will be is going to be used for your members to log into. So you can put this link on your website or any place that you want your members to go to. This sign up is going to be the link that you can put on your website, or you can even put on kiosks inside your club. This is the link that is going to be for the members to sign up as new members. We also have here a front desk check-in. This is, I'm sorry, if you go into facility check-in here, this one allows you to put this link on a kiosk and your members can actually check in and sign in where the screen's facing them instead of the traditional check-in that faces your staff. So if you wanted to set up like the options for your sign up screen, you can click the edit here. Every link has its own edit. Each edit gives options to set up the link. So I click here, you're going to see there's a bunch of fields here. This is the area that you're going to want to set up to allow your members to fill in the data when they're joining. Adding a new field to the list, you just click new and you'll see the drop down of the fields. And you can make them required. Also, if you have fields that you want to provide your customers, you can also set up custom fields by going to settings and custom fields here. Once you set up the custom fields, you're going to be seeing them available for you to add. As you see here, we have some custom fields here. And you can do this the exact for family members. If you have family members, you can set up fields of what they have to input for family members that they add to their account. And also, what's nice here is each plan that you have in the system, each plan has their own link. So you can actually have send links to your members for them to sign up for a specific plan where they don't have to actually select the plan from a list. You can custom display what you want the portal sign up tabs to look like. And you have some options here. You can actually allow photo capturing for your members, for your family members. Um, if you want to utilize the online portals where the member portal where the members signs in and that can update their credit card or pay off balances, pay payments, or anything like that, you can make sure from here you want to set this to create. And this, when you have this set, it's gonna during the sign up process, they're gonna have an area to create their account. If you set this under no, it's not gonna ask them to create an account, and they're gonna be in the system without them being able to log in. And you have a submission response. This is just an area that you can set up of what message that you want to present to the member whenever they finish the sign up process. I'm going to click on this link here. This is the link. If I click on it, you're going to be seeing how the sign up screen looks. As you see, it's going to have the logo. It's going to have all the plans, all those public plans that I talked about available here for them to select. All of this information here is customizable when you're creating your plans in the system. Once you select the plan, it's going to ask them to fill in the information. And if you press next and go through the process, you're going to see a bunch of steps, which it also supports online waivers where they can actually sign off signature waivers. I mean, you can have as many as you need. Let's, for example, this one has 5 agreements that they have to sign. And also, there's a photo. And if you're accepting credit cards and you want them to pay for their plan, you're going to have also an area here that they're going to be able to put their payment information in there. And so once they finish this sign up form, they'll be in the system automatically ready for, there'll be active members in the system ready for checking in and utilizing your service. I'm going to take you back into the list just to show you the member portal. If I click this link here, it's going to take me to be able to sign in. Again, it's going to have your logo, and this is going to be the member login. So I'm going to sign in as a member now, a sample member. Let me see if I got the password here. Oh, okay. So I'm logged in here, and you're going to be able to see they have the ability to do book events. They have account details. They can change their picture, update their information, and you have the ability to not to set it up to not allow them to edit this stuff. But on this um, account, we're allowing them to edit their information. Yeah, they can see their family here. They can even see the plan that they're actually on, the membership plan. They can do renewing the plan. They can see all their past agreements and print them out if they need. This is the payment methods here. They can actually come into here and they can change their payment method that they have on file. Go through the process of changing that. They can see all their transactions, what they've been setting up, and all of their attendance and their check-ins. They can see all that data. And they have a QR code that they can have access to that they can present at the front desk. And the scanner should be able to scan this so they can check in using this. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to show you. In case you actually have members that maybe got added in the system manually, or maybe you did not utilize the member portal at the beginning and now you want to turn it on, or if you want to have it where you just want to have specific members, you can actually go into a member's account. I'm going to click on this one here. You're going to see a little security here. You can click set up login here. When you click set up login, it's going to send this member an email, whatever email you have them on file. Here, it's going to send them an email for them to click on a link so they can actually create their account. So this is what you will do is if you want a specific member to have member portal login capabilities, you would have to go, you could do it manually directly from their account. This video was just a brief overview just to get y'all started on utilizing the portal to help you understand where everything is. I want to thank you for giving me time today to do this video. Thank you.